I probably look half retarded, but it's gonna be super cold tonight, and I just remembered that I bought this. So let's do this. So I got a mystery full for Briar and a mystery pack from Spirit Riding Free. So let's do this one first, because that one is the big one. So of course, these are all the choices, or all the chances horses you can get. I've gotten, let's see here, this one and the mystery one. If you didn't see that video, top corner. Okay, so I don't know who this is, but it's cute. Very shiny eyes, mini dapples. Okay, so that one is the Spirit Riding Free one. If I take a picture, I'm gonna put it here. Next is the mystery full, and I've done one of these before, and that was actually one of my Christmas openings, and that was back in 2018, I think. So actually close to this around time of year. I need something sharp. I don't need to go looking around. I have my pocket knife right in my backpack. Okay. Ooh, I almost saw it. I gotta remember that it's there. So now we're gonna pull this out. Ooh. I don't see it, but these are mommy and daddy. I didn't see the full, so let me get this out real quick. We're not gonna put these near the horses. Did you see? I'm looking at my face. I'm not looking at the full. Okay. This seems to be daddy. Very pretty. Oh, that's cool. I will try to take a picture of that. Let's get mama out. Very pretty black horse. Very pretty. All right. I dropped mama. Okay. So now is the little foal. And it's tiny. Give me the foal! Okay. Because no one was at my front door. Why am I videotaping with my door open? That's a good question. It's a little foal. It's got a little blaze. It's got a white sock. If anything, it looks like a mini spirit, or not spirit, mini Secretariat, Big Red. Except Secretariat has 3 socks and 1 non-sock. And his blaze is a little strip. But this is still cute. This is still cute. It's standing up now. I'll try to get some pictures of it. Be right back.
almost got the Dear Brandon.